Hi, I have been in a crisis situation where a guy had jumped off a roof aiming for the pool and he hit the cement instead from like a third story building. Um, and my husband and I ran over there. He bounced into the pool. Anyways, what helped me through it was that my husband was a trained professional in the medical field, as well as the fact that I trusted him and he's able to remain calm. So having just a calm atmosphere where everyone that was around rallied, did their job appropriately, and remained calm so that we could help this guy as best as possible. Um, Having access to obviously like the fire paramedics who came was good. So having a plan, like if a crisis happens, this is what happens next. Um, and obviously, like I didn't know this man personally, nor did I actually see him bounce. I saw him in the pool afterwards. So, um, not that that's important, but I think just having a plan of action, being able to remain calm, and being prepared, which is my husband was prepared, so that helped.